Magandang morning guys. Pasensya na kayo ngayon ay araw ng Sabado na sa Mindanao. So guys, wala muna tayong update sa manok. Dito pa kami sa Mindanao, no? Maraming salamat sa mga supporters, yung mga naghihintay dyan ng manok wala po. Dapat tayo ngayon update sa ating manok. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. So guys, ito lang muna ang video na aking ina-upload ngayon, no? Kasi wala man tayong manok. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa mga viewers ko, subscribers, no? Thank you. Mga hanggang New Year kami dito, mga idol, no? Kaya wag pasensyahan nyo na muna ako, wala tayong update sa manok. Sana maski ganito ang upload ko, sana manood kayo, mga idol, no? Panoorin nyo naman ang
dito na kami guys, no, sa airport. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat guys ha.
Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Hold elastic bands sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats, fasten seatbelts securely, keep window shades open, and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited.
Pasil mo. Di mo alam?
This is
Yan.
a non-smoking flight.
Yan mo,
Use of
higpitan mo.
e-cigarette and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Higpitan mo pa yung ano mo. Itulak, hilain mo yan. Yan, hilain pa. Yung chichikan nila. Bababa na kami dyan guys. Naka touchdown na kami ng Osamis City. Thank you guys.
Touchdown.
Alam mo ba sa akin ang spek ko?
Saan?
Ay, napapicture na ko pa yun. Kaya nga.
Guys, nandito kami sa Bards, no? Maraming salamat sa nanonood sa akin, no? Yung mga manok, wala pala tayong update ngayon sa manok, guys, kasi nyo naman, lagi tayong nakabakasyon tayo sa Mindanao. Nandito ako ngayon sa Mindanao, guys. Maraming salamat sa support nyo, no, mga idol. Sa mga maghahanap ng manok na content ko, wala. Dito tayo magpasko New Year sa Mindanao, sa lugar ni Mrs. Bye, thank you. Guys, paalis na kami. Tatawid kami ng isla, guys. Punta doon sa Karamisis. So mag-barge na naman kami. Ayan, no? Ayan na naman tayo ng barko.
Yan, nakarating na kami dyan guys, no? Nandiyan na kami sa bahay ng aking biyanan. Yan, eh. Ganda pala yung bahay ng aking biyanan guys. Medyo maganda rin siguro ang buhay nila, oh. Tingnan mo naman, napakaganda ng bahay nila. Maraming salamat guys, bye bye.